Autophagy means self-devouring in ancient Greek. An autophagosome is a double membrane vesicle that is responsible for the degradation and recycling of cellular components and sometimes even whole cells. It does so by surrounding cellular components, fusing with a lysosome that has digestive enzymes, and allowing the enzymes to break down the cellular components. Autophagosomes are found in eukaryotes, which means a redwood tree, yeast cells, and even you have them. Recently in the scientific community, the 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded to Yoshinori Ohsumi for his findings on how the mechanisms of autophagy actually work. We have always known that autophagosomes have been responsible for cell recycling, but the newest information we know is that in eukaryotic DNA, there are chromosomes that carry specific genes which are designated as autophagy or ATG genes. There are several ATG genes, such as ATG2, ULK1, and ATG7. These genes are in control of whether or not the phagosomes form in the body and are essentially in control of how many are produced. The autophagosomes fuse with lysosomes, which have digestive enzymes that break down organelles and cellular components, much like how stomach acid breaks down a burger you eat. So why should we even care about the mechanism of the cell that essentially acts as the waste disposal system? Well, because ATG genes can induce or inhibit autophagy, scientists can develop drugs that turn off or turn on these ATG genes and essentially be in control of autophagy in an organism. If scientists can induce autophagy, they can encourage the body to break down damaging cellular components. This shows potential for solving Parkinson's, type 2 diabetes, and neurological diseases by controlling mutant proteins. If scientists can inhibit autophagy, they can prevent the body from breaking down some important cellular components. This shows enormous potential in cancer treatment since cancer cells upregulate autophagy and increase growth and aggressiveness. So turning off autophagy can prevent cancer cells from damaging healthy cells. Much like the importance of the disposal system in our daily lives, the microscopic world also depends on their own waste disposal system. Being able to control ATG genes means controlling how our body selectively chooses to keep or get rid of organelles, cells, and more. It's like transforming from a disposal system that has no control over what gets thrown out to one that sorts, targets, and recycles specific components. Developments in the area can really help solve chronic diseases in the near future, so remember the term autophagy and impress your friends and family by explaining it to them.